So what we have here is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus with 256 gigabytes of storage. This particular model is the highest tier configuration for this line, which is the A9 line. The 64 gigabyte has 4 gigs of RAM, and this particular one has 8 gigs of RAM. So it's better for multitasking and performance. And you can expand the storage up to 1 terabyte by a micro SD card. You can also have multi-active windows. Basically what I'm using now. I have my voiceover, excuse the puppy in the background playing with his toy. He would decide to play with his toy while I'm doing a voiceover. So we can have multi-active windows to run up to 3 apps simultaneously on the screen. And aside from the storage and RAM, it has the same core hardware as the rest of the A9 Plus lineup, which includes the 11-inch TFT LCD display with a 90 hertz refresh rate, and also a 1920 by 1200 resolution screen with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, which supports 5G on cellular models. This is not the cellular model. Now, one of the main reasons why I purchased this particular tablet, even though it's not going to have 7 years of updates, is because my daily driver was in reference to just daily normal use, was my Fire Tablet 10. I think that's the most recent, other than the 11 that just came out not too long ago. The speakers on that is bad, very bad. So this particular tablet, it has quad-core speaker system with Dolby Atmos, which is amazing. And so it sounds really, really good. I love it. And I don't even have it up halfway, and it's still louder than this other tablet here. The battery is 7,040 milliamp hour battery. It supports 15 watt fast charging, 8 megapixel rear camera with autofocus, and a 5 megapixel front facing camera for video calls. It has a metal body available in graphite, silver, or navy. I could only find this color, which is the graphite. And again, it's scheduled to receive security updates for 4 years from its launch. So it'll be up until late 2027. And updates are generally sent out on a quarterly basis. And it's also expected to receive 3 major Android OS upgrades, taking it through Android 16. So that'll do it.